Steve here, NRC. I'm with my sister again, and we have another slot car unboxing. We got these from LEB Hobbies. We'll leave his link in my video description below, so check them out. We also got a couple from Amazon, right?
Yeah, I think there's one.
I think you got a lot from everything. Alright, we're going to unbox these. I think I opened up 2 or 3 of them, but we'll show you them anyhow. Alright, ready? First, we got the Carrera Lamborghini.
Hope you guys could see this because this is nice.
We're going to open it up. Oh, I got one fingernail.
Let me see if I could open it up. Seems a shame opening this one up. I wouldn't even use it.
Oh, don't worry. That one's going to be beating your Aston Martin. Just rip her open, Bill.
God.
Come on, use your muscles.
It's stuck.
You got to do the other side too. Child-proof.
You know it.
All right. There it is.
It's nice. I give it 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, it's a beauty, ain't it?
Yeah.
Should we rev it up or just...
And maybe we'll do it later.
Alright, we'll do it later.
I got it.
So that's the Carrera Hurricane GT3.
I don't know if it's pronounced Hurricane or
Hurricana.
Hurricane.
But it's a beauty. On to the next one.
Another nice one. Nice paint job.
Look at that. The Ferrari.
I particularly like the red chrome.
Yeah.
It's nice. Ferrari
488 GT3. You know why this one comes with a pamphlet? That was fast.
I'll let you do the honors.
Hey, this one's sharp. Oh man, that's a beauty, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a nice contrast with the flat paint, with the chromed paint. It's nice. Just imagine that beauty when the lights are on.
Oh yeah, these have lights in them. I got the 143 scale one also, right?
I think so.
I'll have to see that one. Maybe we could get that next because I already opened that one.
Yeah.
But anyhow, that's the Carrera. The other one was Carrera also. Nice.
Box lid. Yeah, the other one was Ferrari. This one's the other one was Lamborghini. This one was Ferrari.
Yeah. Here's the Mini.
There's the Mini.
That's the 143 scale.
It's nice.
May have to go closer with that small one.
Yeah. Much nicer.
It looks nice, but it's not
much nicer with the metallic paint, though.
Oh, yeah. They did more detail on the larger scale. But this is still nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's another Carrera. Alright, this is the last open one, I think.
That was Amazon.
This was an Amazon. This Corvette actually looks pretty damn hot.
If I'm not mistaken, that's the one that won the class race last week.
Oh, yeah. The Aston Martin didn't, right?
I don't think so. No, they won.
Oh, they did?
I watched it.
The Corvette's the best. It's always
Yep.
the best. But anyway, that's a Carrera Go 143 scale. And that's the one we got from Amazon.
That's from Amazon.
And all the rest are from LEB Hobbies. Check them out in the link below.
A lot of cars.
Yep. Alrighty. Oh, we gotta get a scissor here.
Oh.
Intermission, guys. I'm going to get a scissor. Alright, did you work your scissored hands?
Oh, no.
See if you could get through them this week.
Wait. I worked the muscles.
There you go. Carrera Go. These are 143 scale. These are all going to be that scale. And this is, what one is this?
Lamborghini Hurricane, Conrad Motorsports, whatever racing team that is. I believe this was an Amazon one.
That was Amazon too?
I think so.
Well, there's a couple of them, but most all of them are from LEB Hobby. Still didn't figure it out?
Oh, yes, I
Oh,
did.
yeah, that's pretty good.
Take it out.
Oh, it's just like a teal green?
I'm a box opener specialist.
Yeah,
now.
last unboxing someone said their favorite car was the green one.
I like both.
But this one's pretty hot.
I still like this one too.
Oh, yeah. She has so many of these. I think I got, what, like 4 or 5?
It's like an
I
addiction.
think she got like, what, 20 maybe?
We'll have to count after
But
this.
anyway, there's that beauty. It's pretty sweet looking.
Yeah, that's nice.
All right, let's go get another one. Or you just put these over here.
Let's put it next to the Italian.
Maybe put it over here. Maybe they could see it over there. This one too. All right. Pick with your eyes closed. Oh, these are nice. SCX Compact. We tried them for the first time. What was it? Our last unboxing. We got this one here. We never had them before. We only had the Go. Guys, these ones run really sweet. They got the flag guide. They're like the 132nd cars, but they handle really good.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Switch
I
cars.
was surprised.
Switch cars. Here it is. This is SCX 143.
It's a little bit bigger than the Compact.
Yeah, let's compare it to a... This is the same car, ain't it? This is the Carrera Go in the same exact car.
It's almost the same size.
Yeah, it's identical.
I think this was small because they're called like
Yeah, they're
small
little
rally cars.
like, what are they, WRX or something? I don't know what they are.
This is a
But here they are. They're almost the same. This is Carrera. This is SCX.
some of these come with lights. Unfortunately, we didn't get those.
I noticed the SCX always uses the same tires on all their cars mostly. I think only NASCARs have different, whereas the Carrera has a few different tires. And the wheels are smaller. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
But it looks nice. All right, next up for bat. Let's get another one, Bill. Oh, I'm showing Bill. We always joke around.
Here's your next one.
Oh, this one's
Another
beauty.
Rally. I think that one's a Hyundai.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's lighted.
Oh, lighted.
Yeah.
Nice. There it is. That's pretty cool looking. These feel light too, don't they?
Yeah, very light.
And their wheels.
These would be racing in the same class.
Check them out. Their wheels, they go real good.
Yeah.
All right, we could have a lighted race in the dark with these beauties.
Yeah.
These two, this one against that. Oh, but I have a surprise coming out of the box too. Could be another race with one of those. Oh, what the heck is this? It's pre-opened.
Oh!
Where did you get that one?
I think that was Amazon
So that was 3 from Amazon, right?
so far.
And the rest, I think, are from the other place.
Yeah, because I had a hard time finding that one.
This is a Carrera Go Viper. Check that out. That one's a beauty.
So now we could have the Viper race.
Viper against the Corvette would be sweet. Like maybe this beauty and this beauty.
Sure.
Well, there it is. This one's pretty nice. Spins up real good. Look at it go.
Yeah.
That's a beauty, right?
Yeah. Look how big the rims are.
So far they're all yours except for the yellow Corvette.
It's amazing how I lost that one.
What the heck is that?
That's the Red Bull. I think that's the Audi.
Yeah, Audi. It almost looks like a Mercedes.
Yeah, or a BMW. It's big. Like a long car.
Yeah. See, the Go cars have all different size wheels, like different tires too.
Almost there.
Having trouble?
It's like it gets stuck.
I think we need a good scissor.
Yeah, you think?
If anyone wants to send in a good scissor to the channel, just hit me up and we'll accept the offer.
Big time.
Want to show that one? Because I know you really don't like that one.
I really don't. It's nice. It has a nice flat paint job on it. I think it said Audi R8.
We forgot to put my beauty up here along with yours.
Oh, yeah. So I guess this is the Red Bull Racing
Oh,
team.
yeah, we could
Number
race
5
those.
and 30.
Yep.
Nice.
You show them up close. Does your arm not reach? That's good enough. Maybe a little bit too close. I don't know. Might be perfect.
Oh, if you see it, you see it.
Well, no, I guess when we look
Yeah.
back. So, what's that? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got 2.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Oh my! I wonder whose this one could be for.
This one's a nice one, too. It's metallic.
Open it up.
Oh, you don't need a scissors with this one.
Oh, yeah, you sure about that? Oh, surprised. That's why that Viper came out of the package and shipping, right?
Yep. That's exactly why.
That is nice. Metallic blue.
Yeah.
I
What?
think maybe you should get that in
Oh,
1/32nd
oh.
scale maybe too.
Oh, I don't maybe.
Look at the metallic.
I don't know. I like this one too if they have it.
I
Oh
don't
wait,
know. I
maybe
like the
this
blue
one?
No, I like the blue metallic. I think on the bigger one you'll see it much better.
Yeah. They're both
And I like
nice.
the white stripes.
So let me get a close up on this one.
Oh, and it has nice red stripes on it too.
Yeah, I don't think you could see it.
And
but
look at the mirrors are red.
yeah. It has a nice blue metallic paint job.
Oh, and it has red on the wheels.
Yeah. Very nice. Nice job.
Let's see if the spinner. She going good. All right, there she is. Lamborghini. So put that there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2. You have 6.
And we're still
Oh,
going.
this is a nice one. They were easy. I wonder why some come with the plastic. That's probably older, maybe.
Yeah.
That's nice looking.
Ferrari?
Yeah, it's like the Red Bull one. Look,
Oh,
see
look
what
at the-
difference the paint job makes.
Yeah. So here's another Ferrari.
And the side's nice with the white.
They really do look nice. I like the flat paint job.
Yeah. Don't they have that in the 1/32nd
I
too?
think, yeah, they do. I know they have this.
Wonder if that would look better. I don't know. This blue one's kind. Oh, but that's a different car though. That's the
Ferrari and
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
So maybe that one. That's nice. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah. I like the front. Look at the way. Look at the way the white goes around, and then in the front looks really sharp. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what are we on? 9? Is that 9?
So far.
Ooh. This one's mine. You might as well open it. You got so much practice because you get so many of them. Oh,
So
don't
it
cut
is-
my fender off.
It's like candy when you have one. You have so many of them.
We
you
gotta
look like
find
you wanna
somewhere to
buy
put
more.
these cars. You should get like a tackle box.
Yeah.
Like a special, what, like a, you'll probably get like a big suitcase for when you go on vacation. You could fit them all in
That's
it.
funny.
Ooh, this is nice. This is an SCX Compact. You can tell by the flag guide. Boy, this is a little one.
Yeah.
Where's yours?
That's
Same car.
Yeah.
Damn, they're gonna be a good ones to race. They're
Mhm.
both lighted too.
Yeah.
This, and where's that other little guy? Oh yeah, this is the racing. Too bad we didn't have a.
Another Hyundai lighted.
Yeah. Oh well, they're cool looking. There you go. This is a Red Bull. I got 3 Red Bull cars.
Well, here it is, guys. Here's our collection. No specific reason any cars are in the front or back, but the Corvettes are in the front.
They're always in the front with you.
Yeah. Many colors, beautiful cars. Just look really cool.
Most of them are Charles.
It just happened that way.
She likes these a lot. They're good for the price. I ain't complaining. They're like HOs.
Yeah.
They're
You
like
can't go
HO
wrong.
cars, but they're bigger.
Bigger. Yep.
Let's see if we can get a nice shot like that of them beauties all lined up. Do, 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 do.
Can't really appreciate some of them with the metallic paint jobs.
Yeah.
You got to see them in person.
Oh, that would be a big race with all them beauties. It's just like real. Oh, my lap counter's in the way. I have to go up in the air. Nice. All right. Tell them what they got to do. Subscribe, like, and all that good stuff.
Yep.
We'll see you next time. Later, guys.
Bye.
Beauty. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Time to enjoy these beauties.
Ah!
Don't record that.
Yeah, we recorded it.